counties. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southern Love County and southern Oklahoma until 7:45 p.m. At 7:08 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Leon and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Marietta, Vacaville, Leon, New Bottom, Birdeville, and Courtney. Take cover now in a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Montague County in north central Texas, northern Wise County in north central Texas, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:13 p.m., storm spotters and Doppler radar observed a tornado 6 miles northwest of Albert, moving east at 25 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Albert around 7:25 p.m.